This is the kitchen where we prepare the food. That's the dining room right here. Once again, this is Mama's room over there. This is the dining room. This is the kitchen where we prepare all the food, cover it. Now there's no cabinet space, so we put it in shelves out here. All the dishes. This is the gas stove we use to cook the food. Another burner over here. Stove. Oven. This is where we put everything right now to cook. This is the washing machine, and this is the sink over here preparing the lunch, and then the pots where we put everything in, and the fence where we look out so we can get air while we stay by the sink and wash dishes. So this is the kitchen. Still get the same stove, still working good. This is outside. Right now it needs to be fenced because there's people breaking in. There's Mama's cabinet over there. The roof, it's old already. This house needs to be broken down. So that's the plan. But in order for it to be broken down and refixed, look at the roofing. Everything's falling apart. At like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, all the way to 4 o'clock till the sun goes down, it gets really hot because the sun hits right at the top and heats up these metal plates for the roofing. This is the refrigerator. It's a small refrigerator which holds enough. So as you can see, there's a freezer. This refrigerator is about probably 4 feet, 5 inches. We got the microwave. This is where we put all Epeleafiaelepeaiga. We store it here. So this is still part of the kitchen. The table, another table for eating. This is another room over here. It's pretty much like a shack right now. Needs to be fixed up. Everything's pretty much beaten down. This is where one of the rooms. See, it's all bust up, broken up already. Everything needs to be stored. This house is pretty much falling apart. And that's why we need to really fix the other house. This is Mama's old room, still here, with another bathroom. It's not easy living here, especially having Mama live over here too. Okay, that's part 2, guys. I'll show you the progress of the new house.